Inyalo ng'ane en jaluo. Mama en jaluo, baba en jaluo, dagi en jaluo, kwargi en jaluo. To openje swali. Openje niya, e Kenya kae, ogende nyiri magi mabeyo, kendo nyiri magi matiyo matek, kendo nyiri magi mok chit bwana gini chuogi. En jaluo, owacho ni ogolo 5. Tabich mogologi, kata jaluo okotajo nyinge. Mamisi ni mama yake not hardworking, not loyalty, not beautiful. Nikech ka ng'ato penji swali gi, ng'ano penji swali oda temo wi ma kor jaluo. Na jaluo chala kama du. Mondwa chala kama. Nyiwa chala kama. Chuowa chala kama. Wan wachala kama. Openje e Kenya kae nyiri gane, mon mage ma gin gibeyo, gitiyo matek, gihero chuogi. Owacho ni gin adi 5 moda wacho. Tabich mowacho gi oko nemu kata kabinde ambon mjaluo. Ochako go Kuyu, odhi Okamba, odhi Muluya, odhi Mumeru, odhi Mijikenda ambon ayudore Coast. Jaluo onge. Mamisi ni mama yake si beautiful, mamisi ni mama yake si hardworking, mamisi ni mama yake si loyal. Kaka ojibu swali. Iwinjo? Haya, aleke nu video mondo adhi mbele loso wini. Ni kaka wacho, mondo kik wache na riambo.
I didn't know I've got followers outside Kenya until yesterday. In my inbox, I found a message from a certain man living in the United States who told me, "Hey bro, can you do me a video of who are the most beautiful, most hardworking, and most loyal ladies in Kenya?" So I was to do the video yesterday, but I didn't, so I'm gonna do it today. So, bro, these are the most beautiful, most hardworking, and most loyal ladies in Kenya. I'm just gonna give you 5. So if you have plans of coming to Kenya and settling here, or maybe getting a wife from Kenya, please choose from these 5 tribes. But you can choose from other tribes as well, because we are all beautiful and we are one great nation, Kenya. So for me, according to me, I'm just gonna give you 5. Number 1 from my top list are the Kikuyu ladies. I've always said it, coming from the central part of Kenya. They're very hardworking. They have no time for laziness. They're very hardworking. I've said that. They're very loyal. And if you have them, if you marry them, and they're beautiful as well, very cute. You have them, they're gonna give you very cute babies. If you have a Kikuyu woman as your wife, you are guaranteed 100% of happiness in your marriage. Number 2 in my list, we have the ladies coming from the eastern part of Kenya. These are the Kamba ladies. Beautiful in all aspects. They are nice, they've got what it takes, they have no time for laziness, they work very hard, and they are very loyal. You have a Kamba lady as your wife, you are guaranteed 100% of happiness. Number 3 in my list, we have the Luya ladies coming from the western part of Kenya. They're a bit strong, muscular. If you look at them, their bodies are a bit kind of strong. If you look at them, they're physique, and they're beautiful as well. Very hardworking, loyal. You have a Luya lady as your wife, you are guaranteed 100% of happiness. Number 4, we are talking about the Meru ladies. Ladies from Meru. I think they are still just coming from the central part of Kenya or something. These ladies are very beautiful, of course. They have no time for laziness. They work very hard. They are very loyal. You have a Meru lady as your wife. You are guaranteed 100% of happiness in your marriage. Last but not least, number 5 in my list, we have the ladies coming from the coastal part of Kenya, and these are the Giriama ladies, found in Kilifi County mostly. You find one Giriama lady, you find happiness. You find one Giriama lady, you found what you need to have in your life, and we won't regret. So Giriama ladies are also in my list, and they're closing that list. Very hardworking, loyal, and of course very
uwinje kaka wacho dong winje Winje kako wacho. Hani anamaanisha kabila yake si loyal, si hardworking, si beautiful. Mama yake si loyal, sister yake si loyal, si beautiful, si hardworking. Because kama hii list unaanza, hata kama enango motimore, onegichaki gikabindi, koki dhimokogo, chako gimokogo. Jaluo, fuo go TikTok, fuo go social media, fuo go public. Moko dwa ngani mondo wa feature. Moko fichuru. Moko wetu eding. Fuo go. Koma kitango ngato wacho. Oko alikuwa anasema opposite. Anasema opposite.